Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the machine completely off and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts. Once done, put on an ESD strap or ground yourself because static can fry components. Remove the rubber feet and undo the screws. Use a correct Phillips to avoid stripping. Use a plastic spudger to pry the bottom cover gently at corners. You want even pressure to avoid cracking clips. Make sure screws go into a tray labeled by location, so reassembly is straightforward. Once the bottom cover is off, locate the battery pack, usually a flat rectangular unit near the hinge. You remove any shielding or brackets holding it down, unscrew those screws and set them aside. Before touching other parts, disconnect the battery connector from the board. You pull the plastic plug straight out to avoid bending pins. If adhesive holds the battery, use a plastic card and slow leverage rather than metal tools. This prevents damage and lets you safely remove the pack. You lift the battery free and inspect the connector and cable for bent pins or corrosion. Replacing the battery is easier if you note orientation now. Reinstall the bottom cover and screws in reverse order, making sure clips snap back with even pressure and screws are snug but not over-torqued. Once reassembled, plug in charger and power on. If the Chromebook fails to boot, make sure the battery connector is fully seated and each screw and standoff is in its original hole before
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.